Hello, here is an introductory video on how to do your tacos informative writing assignments. So first you will go to your ELA course, and then you will go to the correct tacos writing assignments folder. In this course, it is orange. And you can see there are posted directions. There are also the informative writing standards. And then you can see that we have various pictures with captions, and a few of them also have videos to bring the picture alive. So, if we were to click on Olympic Flame, you can see the caption. Paris Olympics flame lit in ancient inspired ceremony, starting torch relay from Greece to France. The flame was lit early Tuesday at the site of ancient Olympia and will now be carried more than 3,000 miles on its way to the French capital this summer. So, this is marking the start to the Olympic Games for 2024 summer. So there is the picture that we will be working on for our tacos writing assignment. Now, you can do this two ways. Some teachers prefer that you do it on paper, and some people prefer that you will be doing it in Book Creator. I am going to show you Book Creator because you can pretend like the screen on Book Creator is a piece of paper. So you will go to Book Creator. You will make sure that you are in the taco library. You will go to your journal. You'll create a cover, and then you will go inside of your book. Now, you are free to decorate the book any way you want to. Add a nice background, but you do need to follow the tacos format. So, P equals time. What time do we think this picture was happening? Well, we can see daytime, and we know that according to um, the caption, they are now preparing for the summer, and they are definitely not wearing winter clothing or any heavy coats or even a hoodie or anything. So I would assume this is probably April or May, and it's during the daytime. So, going back to time, I would say April or May during the daytime. And if you want to be more specific, I guess it's 10 a.m., I guess it's 2 p.m., whatever looks appropriate to you. You can skip a space or you can just go right to the A, actions. Looking back at the picture, what actions are going on? Well, you can see they're posing. You can see that they're raising a torch. They are lighting a flame. They're holding a flame. I don't know if they're singing or speaking, but it does say very clearly that they lit the flame in an ancient inspired ceremony. So I can go back here and I can say the Olympic torch was lit with an ancient ceremony. Women are posing. Women are holding a ceremony, a torch and a flame. I should probably fix that. So women are holding a ceremony to mark the countdown to the Olympic Games. And then I should probably say the Olympic torch. Remember, proper nouns have to be capitalized. So the Olympic torch and a flame are being held in the air. Okay? C. Caption. What important information is the caption giving us? Well, it obviously states that they did an ancient inspired ceremony and that they're starting the torch relay from Greece to France, and that it was lit early Tuesday and it will be carried 3,000 miles on its way to the French capital this summer. So we will go back and we will say the Olympic flame was lit in an ancient inspired ceremony recently. It will be carried 3,000 miles from Greece to France to mark the start of the 2024 Summer Olympics. All right. Oh, oop, what objects are being seen in the picture? Oh, we have a lot. We've got stone, stairs, a torch, a flame, an urn, dresses. Like we can say a lot of things here. Okay, so we see dresses, stones, benches, the flame, an urn or vase, the flame. Okay, and then S, the summary. What kind of summary, 5 to 6 sentences, can we give about this picture? So studying it, so we can say something like, the Olympics are held every 4 years. This year, the Olympic torch was lit in an ancient inspired ceremony. The flame will be carried by runners from Greece to France. This will take 3,000 miles. I feel like that is a very long distance, and I would not personally want to carry the flame. I do not like running, and this would not be my cup of tea. However, I do think that watching the ceremony of the flame being lit would have been a neat experience. I would like to attend the next ceremony in 4 years. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I do have my 5 to 6 sentences. Perfect. We hit done. We can see how it fits on the page. We can edit it. And then we can add an image. And voila, perfect. So if you're doing it on paper, you would just go down the side of the page, write your TACOS, and do the same format. T is time, A is action, C is caption, O is objects, and S is your summary, 5 to 6 sentences. Have fun!